Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a YouTube Kids profile. If you need to remove an old profile, maybe manage your child's account, or just simply start fresh on YouTube Kids app, deleting a child profile is a pretty simple process, but you need to know exactly where to go. And here I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it through YouTube Kid applications. So once you open the app, you can just head into profile options in here or just click on the gear icon at the top to go to the YouTube Kids settings or the parents only page. But you need to solve a simple math problem or just enter the passcode. So in here, I'm going to enter it and click on next. Now just choose the profile that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this one. Click on the profile. Here you need to enter your email password first. Okay, so once you enter your password, just click on next and you'll be on the profile settings in here. Now to delete it, you can just click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and there will be this option to delete the profile. Click on that and click on delete again to confirm the deletions. Now the profile has been deleted and that's it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.